Now the rain's coming down over the mountain. But the direction of the cloud, I don't think it's coming at us. So now it's gotten wider, but it doesn't seem to be raining as hard. But you can see by the way it's fogging down the mountain, it's come from the top of the hill down the hill. It's a cool thing about being here, you can really watch the cloud formations. This is the thunderstorm we have over our head, but I'm sitting here dry. And they're obviously not dry. That sound you hear in the background is a cow. Not sure why we're hearing cows today.